How to set due dates for tax in Todoist. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can set due dates for tax in Todoist. So let's get right into it. The first step is to log in into your Todoist account. Once you're logged in, at the left side of the screen, you can see some options such as search inbox today, upcoming project, etc. So once you can do this, the next step is to select the tax that you would like to set a due date for. For me, this is the tax. Just move to the right side of the screen and then click on the you can see three icons such as the edit tax, you can see set due date, you can see comment. Now by the time you click on edit tax, you can set your due dates by clicking on edit tax this way, or you can just directly click on set due date, whichever one is fine. So after clicking on set due date, a calendar will be displayed showcasing um the time, the whatever. Just go ahead and select the new due date that you want to set, and then once you click on it, the due dates would be changed. Okay, so as a tax, it's easy, you can see the due date has been changed, just like that. All right, so to change it again, you can just click on this way and then change it again, and then just like that, the due date will be changed again. So that is it. Ensure you try it out. All right, thanks for watching and have a good day.